Are you trying to decide whether Disney's Caribbean Beach is the perfect resort for your Disney World vacation? If so, you come to the right place. Today we're giving you an inside look at the rooms at this love it or hate it resort. Hey friends, Erika here. We know that one of the most important and stressful decisions in planning a Disney World vacation is choosing where to stay. There are so many things to consider, different amenities and perks, and of course it never seems like any single resort ever checks all those boxes. But don't worry, because we're here to help, and today we're diving into the rooms at Disney's Caribbean Beach. Disney's Caribbean Beach is a moderate category resort that features 3 different room types throughout 5 different neighborhoods. In the Trinidad neighborhood, you'll find the Little Mermaid themed 5th sleeper rooms, while just around everywhere else you'll find a mixture of refreshed and non-refreshed standard rooms. During our visit, we stayed in a refreshed standard room in Building 46 of the Jamaica neighborhood on the 2nd floor. This room location was right in the middle, close to the Caribbean Cay shortcut to Old Port Royale and an equal distance between the Skyliner main hub and Disney's Riviera Resort. The perfect spot in our opinion, but we'll touch on that a little bit later. As you enter the room, you'll notice what we feel is a pretty stark contrast to the rest of the resort vibe. The new refreshed rooms have taken on a more minimalistic aesthetic, which is brighter, but the room is mostly sterile and devoid of any vibrant colors like you see throughout the rest of the resort. However, the design of the furniture, light fixtures, and artwork are much needed to bring in those Caribbean vibes. The room itself is quite functional, right around 340 square feet, just enough space for a family of 4 or 5 if you have the 5th sleeper room. Our room included 2 queen beds, a 5th sleeper, and a table with 2 chairs for some additional seating. With the recent refurbishment, our room also had the platform beds, which provides additional storage underneath the beds for luggage and other bulky items. A complete game changer if you are a larger family or just have a lot of luggage. Additionally, the room has a 6-drawer dresser built into the 5th sleeper and a rod and shelves located in the bathroom for hanging. Other amenities include a coffee station with complimentary selection of coffees and teas, a small refrigerator, an extra pillow and blanket, and enough outlets, both standard and USB, to cover all of your recharging needs after a battery-draining day in the parks. As we head through the sliding barn doors into the bathroom, the minimalistic aesthetic of these refreshed rooms continues. These bathrooms do have a dual vanity and an oversized mirror, perfect for 2 adults getting ready for a park day, designed with additional shelves and storage for all of your necessities. In a separate room, you'll find the shower tub combo, which is stocked with Disney H2O brand body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. If you're looking for a full-length mirror, that's on the back of the door separating the shower from the rest of the bathroom. Other amenities include a hairdryer and a makeup mirror. Overall, the standard rooms at Disney's Caribbean Beach mostly maximize functionality over aesthetic and theming, apart from the Little Mermaid rooms in the Trinidad neighborhood. The rooms had just enough space for our family of 4, and the under-the-bed storage is a huge upgrade and much needed given the rooms feel much smaller compared to other deluxe resort accommodations. Again, these rooms just get the job done, but are not over-the-top special. Something else to note, the rooms are all exterior facing, and for those staying on the 2nd floor, there are no elevators to be found. This will make it difficult for those with accessibility needs. We recommend requesting a 1st level room, and you'll definitely get a workout if you have a lot of luggage or a stroller to carry up all those stairs. Additionally, room location is everything at this resort. We felt that the Jamaica Building 45 and 46 are a perfect location. For more tips on making room requests, head over to our channel and check out our latest room request video. Well, that wraps up this Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort room tour and review. We hope that this video helped you decide whether Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort rooms are perfect for you. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Your support really means a lot to us. If you're looking for more information on Disney's Caribbean Beach, let us know in the comments, and check out our Caribbean Beach playlist for full resort tours, dining, resort activities, and so much more. To see more of our Disney World adventures, subscribe to our channel. We have all the details on Disney World resorts, theme parks, and so much more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in our next one.